Finger Bot. This another mini-sized gadget is nothing but a virtual finger for you. Now you should not worry if you forget to turn off your light in your room. Simply turn it off from your smartphone. This is the world's smallest robot for controlling switches and buttons remotely and smartly. It comes with Bluetooth connectivity that allows you to connect with any smartphone within 100 meters range and allows you to easily control it from the app. This robot is compatible with smartphone assistant like Siri and Google Voice Assistant too. So you can give the voice command to turn on the light or turn on the TV. It is built in 500 mAh battery that allows up to 6 months on single charge, so you should not have to worry for recharging it again and again. You can attach it on any surface easily. You need not to make expensive replacement. Your existing appliances can be made smart with FingerBot. You can buy it from the link given in description. Pixel Buds. Pixel Buds is a special earbud produced by Google. It has very unique design and is super comfortable to our ears. You can connect this earbuds with any Android device running Android 6.0 or above. You can get amazing sound quality with custom designed speakers. It gives you brilliant sound for your favorite music, podcasts, radio and more. Its adaptive sound feature intelligently adjusts the volume of what you're listening to, so you don't have to constantly raise or lower the volume as you move from the quiet of your home to a subway or a loud cafe. If you're on a call or a meeting, no problem. Beamforming mix focus on your voice, while voice accelerometers detect your speech through the vibrations of your jawbone, so a noisy street or windy day won't get in the way of your conversation. When you need help on the go, just say "Hey Google" and ask the assistant for whatever you need. Turn up the volume, send a quick text, get directions, or even understand another language with Google Translate. A cup cooler instant. Normally we use fridge to cool our drinks, but we have to wait for several hours to make our drinks cool. If you want instant cooling, then you can use this gadget. This is an instant cooling gadget with the help of which you can cool down your drinks instantly within a minute. You can control this gadget with the help of smartphone too. You can control or set the temperature you want your drinks to be. This type of gadget can be really handy where you cannot find fridge easily like in your office room. This cooler is compatible with most beer bottles and soft drinks can available in market. Just place your beverage into the device and enjoy your chilled drink instantly. You can buy this gadget in Amazon at about $40 from the link mentioned in the description. Fidget phone holder. Have you ever faced this problem? And are you a fidget lover too? If yes, then this simple but awesome gadget is made for you. This is simple mobile phone holder, but this device also can convert your phone to fidget spinner. After attaching it to your phone, you can spin your phone horizontally as well as vertically. You can spin your phone when you are doing nothing or when you are bored. Along with holding the phone and spinning it, you can use this device as phone stand too. You can play with your fidget phone all day long, and it is sure that it will help you to release your stress. You can buy this awesome fidget phone holder at about $8 from the link given on the description below from Amazon. PrintCube. This is the world's smallest and portable printer. It is so small that you can keep it in your backpack easily. This mini-sized printer can print text and images in any surface like cloths, wood, plastics, metal, paper, and even in skin. This can be useful if you want to have temporary tattoo. It can even print in rough and uneven surface. It has 3-color thermal inkjet technology whose ink dries very fast. To use this device you have to connect it to your Android or iOS device via Wi-Fi, and using the official application you can upload your desired text or image and print it on your surface by sliding it within few seconds. It is battery operated and it has battery backup of 6 hours once fully charged. So if you want your design to print on any object, you can buy this printer from Amazon at $189. Link to this product is mentioned in the description below. Stygian Force, if you want to make your gaming experience pro level like a professional gamers, then this gadget is for you. Simply attach this console kit to your phone and enjoy the next level gaming experience. It has trigger in both sides and also has anti-slip surface so that you can play your game with much comfort. You can enjoy 4-finger gameplay in your phone easily. Trust me. You will give a pre-session headshot to your enemy with this amazing gadget. You will have a legendary gameplay with your worth opponent for sure. If you want to win every game you play, then get this console right into your house from Amazon. Link is given in the description below. Hi-D Smart Glass. This another interesting glass nearly gives you a superpower. It's basically a smart glass. Using this glass you can control your laptop, PC or smartphones. You can get all the mouse click options here. All you have to do is blink your eyes. Blinking once easily activates right-click button. With single eye blink you can open application on your PC or smartphone. Blinking twice activates double click, which can open files and folders in your PC or laptop. Blinking 3 times activates hold function, which is very helpful for drag and drop and to record voice in Messenger. This cool gadget comes with variety of lens options like anti-blue, sunglass, and prescription glass. It comes in 2 color. It has unique look and also has adjustable hook for your comfort. It has long battery life of 8 hours, which is pretty amazing. It has Bluetooth compatibility. A Fiora wireless car charger. Without proper power supply and attachments, charging your phone while traveling can be difficult. That's why you need Fiora Ultimate Car Charger. This is the ultimate car charging solution for your smartphone. It comes with 15-watt wireless charging pad that charges your phone effectively as you drive. It comes with QC 3.0 adapter to make charging even faster. It has smartphone locking technology that lock the phone immediately after you keep your phone in charging pad by detecting your cell phone. It also has one-touch release sensor. As soon as you touch the release button, your phone will be released and you can get your phone off the charger conveniently. Your phone can have 3 different charging position option. Also, it has 3 different mounting position that allow you to attach it on any car. It also comes with cooling system that prevents your phone from overheating. If you are looking for perfect phone charger in your car, this is what you want. LumiCharge. This is an all-in-one smart LED lamp with phone charging station. It has rotating multi-device charging port, in which almost every kind of smartphones can be charged. It also has option for smart WAF attachment. This lamp has multiple color mode, which can be adjusted through simple effortless touch. It comes with LED display that shows time and has built-in alarm system that supports multiple alarm. It also has motion sensor activated night light so you don't fall while walking at night. This amazing multifunction lamp cost you around $75 at Amazon. Go to description section to get the purchase link. Jita. This is a robot designed to follow you and carry your stuff. You just have to wear its special belt and move around, and this smart robot starts to follow you wherever you go. This robot can carry up to 40 pounds of load. The belt you wear and the robot itself has several cameras that maps your surrounding combinedly and plans the best path for it to avoid crashing with other stuff surrounded. Its battery can last for 8 hours once fully charged. To unload your stuffs, there is a fingerprint scanner to keep your stuff secure. There is alarm system if someone tries to mess with your bot. It has 0 turning radius. This can be helpful to the business like hospitals, hotels, etc. This makes your life really easier because now you don't have to carry heavy loads of groceries or any other stuffs by yourself. There is your pet robot for you to do that job. You can find its purchase link in description. This much for today. I will be uploading amazing videos related to the gadgets, technology and inventions on regular basis. Until then, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it to your tech lover friends. Goodbye.